Alright, you're more kwaba I'm from ROSEMENS TV so we YouTube. Emraso so see tenase na go kan si ho nsema yensa kana manone de ene efise no ye no epidi ho enkomo na manone no ye behe Real Madrid anyame adman next season. Jabi Alonso ena ewa be coach up na we one coach emribi atwa si akan no Madrid the Champions League. Na we share in the past 2-3 seasons Germany mountains no panyina kwa kudini dwuma de mabaya all for Leverkusen. Or the sunni nyina ba na wie nyame adma the 2025-2026 season no oba no be Carlo Ancelotti anan e wo Madrid boboku ni no panyini ba na oba no ofa Madrid team na eni be di player ba ko honkomo na ya hwe how Jabi Alonso e be the best out of the player na eni o matimi akoyi e de ma na wo Madrid boboku na branche no e ye Vinícius Junior ye be hwe ne edi honkomo ne ye ba fie nso de ya of course e be ko Western region na nyame admon the 16th ADS Division 2 Middle League. Yeah, one of you bidding could make me about the Division 1 and also a bit to me across a bidding honkomo. Na Yahudi and also a bit to me account. The ancient seven say na yendi Jabi Alonso who enkomo wa bro room and what Real Madrid Yamiadman next season. No could need Juma and Sedama Madrid Bubukuno. Now branch and the Vinícius Junior. Say what I say no after branch this season and then last season yet me at the home enkomo. Before that, yam can find show say o share a year classic na no yetoja e wo Munjik na wo twetwe mu a players e ginam esi akan e wo ye Munjik no netie ene say wono any the player duels are occur in ulusu dudu opa anti 8 duels and am branch ni lusu ye in the game wono ni player duels are occur e wo game no nyina no ulusu dudu ne dia ina amenne yedi hu nkomo say where one player Jabi Alonso also with me and who you meant to say MC Arabo and yet me the home come on your screen and yet here and he said oh fan this season any last season who encomodia so there you have it our La Liga home come on na yedi na Jabi Alonso ura our Madrid any branch any Vinícius Junior no how I be our Vinícius Junior who how a branch here no eba so one defender on your willing so obey juma edia man team na ebe defending in football teamwork not only the defenders nkwa and you adwuma on your screen ade say yeah fan this season the La Liga 2024-2025 and the 2023-2024 La Liga no season no na yetimi edi ho enkomo enti out of possession Osha branch and the Vinícius Junior where a Edma Madrid team no this season na we ne kana where out of possession say Madrid nkrabo ni entake engia he is a liability for Madrid bubuku no because any attitude on the field of play say Madrid incredible ni enko press engia they say intensity no is zero. He is not willing say obey adwuma na dey Madrid say umpo when he is willing say or call for pressing and also or tackle achebo intensity no low nti no unu say he had nothing to a Madrid or defensive network no quite apart from that even wadia tumbo say or call for pressing no occur in a straight line, which is very bad in terms of the player who air pressing in that manner. Depending on how a team no ni shape no esiete team no crab on shape esiete. The most of times wingers air press here, omo use the cut in runs. Omo the free the wider channels ni team eba ni nyina say eno ne boa man cover shadow no occupy and answer a kata team no crab no player na we gina na chi na nka kona walk ni bit number pass e de amano no e kata no so it's me cut that passing lane at the free hop. Force team no say either so be call long and answer already born or build it up at their fin central and central lane so no tells you say on any team no idea say on beating me ashe so on beating me block the passing channels no the central zones no Vinícius Junior any out of possession liability away Edma Madrid no idea ba kwa Jabi Alonso was with me ashe na where ho adwuma and the positional awareness also one thing. When Madrid is out of possession this season, we will zero awareness in terms of any position. So Madrid incredible a defender. And on your screen, there's a left side no any 2023-2024 La Liga season, and right side no any 2024-2025 La Liga season. And so how many minutes played this season? About 2,222 minutes, and the last season about 1,872 minutes. Until this season, 29 La Liga matches no boy, and last season about 26 goals scored. This season, about more matches than goals no fewer than last season. This season no 11, and last season no more 15. Now, what funny expected goals are last season no
or outperforming expected goals no was 15 nanka expectedly no some kutimi ema 13 goals this season expected goals no 10 nti wa CD ni expected goals this season again ni assists this season no 7 and last season 5 expected assists of course this season 6.77 our running obenya 7 our last season so 4.38 expected assists last season. Now the chance created this season 58 and the last season 31. The yellow cards this season indiscipline they said this season of course because 8 yellow cards compared to last season 7 red card this season they say 1 last season 0 until you the next slide no na yedi enso enkomo ewo kasafidie no enso na say Vinícius Junior this season eba discipline level na they say ewo from ye pa nti this is the attacking statistics this season or they compare last season and here sure say nkomo yedi ni nyina when the fair idea the clear picture say they say the modern body this season no they enso say etimi aba from ye pa looking at the quality any player Vini away no any ni odi ama Madrid this season no in terms of the output they say ewo from we and edison chances so off the ball ID can odi home komono the zero positional awareness or share any intensity in the pressing system Edman Madrid they say any ho the intensity no low into women nyina idea was a Javi Alonso timi ye ho adwuma Vinícius Junior ho se ne be ya the system or person or building looking at near why or buy all for Leverkusen so without the ball the intensity in their pressing system no they say very great and almost at say almost defensive no and now say almost at defending no from the attack. Do you buy all for Leverkusen? They start the defending from the attacking third. Do you Leverkusen in Kraba, Florent Vets, any Victor Boniface mo Esha say a press the midfielders will also join the pressing system and then the back 3 or 5 will also join. No matter me squeeze the ball area no magic ball no enso etimi e dey free 170. Vinícius Junior who share any attacking statistics last season. Na so we compare this season. Total shot this season 59 last season 62. Shot off target this season 32 and the last season 23. Now shot on target no and I heard the GoPro na e wo screen so now. Shot on target this season 27 and last season 39. Shot accuracy they say this season from year 46%. Last season 63. Shots per 90 minutes. This season 2.39. Last season 2.98. 2.98 into running. Last season the shot per 90 minutes no every month 3. This season 2. Now we find the shot off target per 90 minutes at this season 1.09 and last season 1.88. Goals per 90 minutes last season of course. Emma 0.72 per game diano and I said 90 minutes no anya shekran Vini etimi Emma 1 goal this season they say from 0.45 I win 0.5 mpo now we share assist per 90 minutes last season was 0.24 and this season is 0.28 expected assist per 90 minutes this season is 0.42 and last season Emma 0.63 expected assist per 90 minutes this season is 0.27 and the last season 0.21. That's an attacking statistics. I knew Woody home come and so Sam Reno said last season he was super in terms of any shooting accuracy comparing it to this season. Now we share any shot per 90 minutes and so this season he was on top form or any shorter game na emre na one more shot to crown mark within the game. Not just say say we a player he is eager to score. No etimi aboam ayini team enso ewo ho last season na eno no etimi was trying go per 90 minutes no no with all these perimeters and these stars and actually last season na Vini ewo form but this season dey say form no adepe na woni nyina no adwuma Javi Alonso bana wo bana of course the two superstars ewo team no no and 3 or 4 no emu ba ko Vinícius Junior and the way obetimi the best out of Vinícius Junior no ebeboa ni years obedi Madrid because we form. Na Kylian Mbappe so for na Vini ebeti ase say he needs to work for the team but not as an individual. No beti ase say this season ade and say Madrid team no. Yet any say creme de la creme because so far Mbappe you cannot discount Mbappe adwuma waye. Club no and now about the club football because of the idea no France Mountain so any Vini Junior baby ono so enya ye awusi akan no o de ba the club football any the Champions League there Vini ewo animu additional branch and Kylian Mbappe in terms of say yes so Champions League crew anim but so for the national team side Vini emben branch and den e de Kylian Mbappe baby so it tells you the level any eye baby ene Mbappe ejina any branch and den e de Vini Junior enso ejina so the hell ombetimi a brainwash no ombe psyche na manate ase se enyo no nko ene obi a oye wo hene ewo team nim now ometi ase say he needs to work for the team e was etime be team work eye collaborative ewo mani mu ho eno ene be bo ma Brentford ni Jabi Alonso ono si ni rain ewo Madrid no etime successful because here kan nyina no you have a players a almost ejina mfinfin evom ho etoto said nyoma ebetimi akoye you have the Valverde's, Jude Bellingham's and co ewe Madrid mfinfin ho almost said nyoma betimi akoye e de Madrid boboku no so Jabi Alonso ewe adwuma ye ewe Vini Junior ho for Mbappe any this season in your way ne another day we also talk about him and in your nose bit Jabi Alonso ni Jabi Alonso ese wutimi ese on your next slide no na yetimi edi eno so enkomo so this is the goal side of Kylian Mbappe last season the goals no and all left no and this season and so no right so the goals scored last season 15 in La Liga this season wama 11 na the 15 goals I share last season La Liga ni mu 13 they say where the inside the box enti the penalty area no penalty area no bia ba ko a Vini eduru ho no ma potent no clinical so he is a type of a player and as attacker but bia oni hu yie pa no so obogura the 18-yard box nim enti say na Jabi Alonso ewo bibia edma Vini Junior was a Madrid 8 creative chances next season with the the penalty area no edma branch and Vini Junior because the number see baby and he is not your type of striker. The goals no the outside the box. He is a fox in the 18-yard box and that's the penalty area. Quite apart from that, this season 10, 11, no, 10 the penalty box in him. And I will share, of course, 1 this season the outside the box. Now we been 2 last season outside the box. Na CMFT enche go no last season number 1 this season they say or maybe goals no ni nipadua na kwa no baby otimi di ya hye no o fa ne nine benkum na this season we ma 2 goals na last season number 1 na ne nine fa no so this season we ma 9 of course that's his strongest foot e wo ni nipa dua akwa no heba ne 9 mi enu a na wo hye last season so a we ma 11 nti 15 goals no 11 ne nine fa no and with me addition other part of the body so last season or more to this season on me enche bi na goal scored on penalty this season 2 last season 1 now I say the breakdown of any goals no the body parts but you ultimately share goals no do na no and any wo enso etimi edi ho enkomo into one area and one area says Jabi Alonso and in the technical team many etimi akom what ni ti and in the left foot no etimi emma goals and no emma be unpredictable when you get to a penalty area in and around the penalty area and they say we know you to be a right-footed player and no strongest foot no and this a ukra ball na a be headache edma goalkeeper and opposition defenders so which of the legs and will be used to edia ball because and nay be assassin when the game ne ho says e da benkum otimi de she e da nifa wotimi e de she enam wiem na eba wotimi pem e de she nti benkum no any ese ball enam wiem no eye development and now say Vini Junior ni game mu a ese Jabi Alonso any technical team no etimi ye ho adwuma edma branch and going forward next season next slide na yentimi endi Vini ho enkomodia ye no edi ho enkomo sisi no a defensive contribution to the team na say wo share last season successful tackles per 90 minutes last season 0.63 this season a drop it about 0.41 last season blocks per 90 minutes last season almost 0.77 this season almost 0.85 it tells you send the blocks per 90 minutes this season increase from last season clearance per 90 minutes this season in last season the same at par when to me anyebi headed clearance and so the same interceptions per 90 minutes last season wama 0.05 and this is na increase about 0.12 now we find the possession one over the final third so there Of course, in the 90 minutes no, last season almost 0.77 at this season, Obama 0.81. So we any defensive contribution. This are what share blocks, interceptions, and position one over the final third. We improve this season than what he gave a Yembubuku and Jane at the Madrid last season. It's an encouraging sign. Ed Majabi Alonso, Wabra, Obefa Madrid Bubuku no. He needs to encourage what he has done this season in terms of the blocks, the interceptions, and a possession one over the final third no. Also waiting a improve boy no. And as we encourage no way more, Ed Madrid Bubuku no, and between the sources of opinion epeno, and so et me Eddie Amano, Real Madrid. One Bubuku. So this is Vinícius Junior and Jabi Alonso. In a banner Waba Madrid no, the key quality players within the team no, as so more nani, and so it's me echo moho na the best no, obet nyanya e de free wo na onosni days no, e wo Madrid no, et me prolongo na aba with a caps, then you man so it's me akoye e de amano. This is Vinícius Junior, one of the top stars in Madrid, and then you may yene wo enso et me edi hunko. But don't forget, say Vini any player would do any better no, so in terms of say yen shall see the defending no, and shall say from the front line, not the midfielders and the defense no, and so intimate and twaso. The Vinícius Junior and then Hunko Modieno, any the AC. Na say eba na yaba be share efisem no mu enso edia. Nyame adma on the 16th e watakwa TNA. Nyete ne say Western Regional Football Association Division 2 Middle League. Everything abaso. Na Middle League no bana ebaso no. A group A to D. Na each group bia no e 4 teams. 4 teams na e 8 team bia mu no. E wa obeto open na air qualify to the semi-finals. Ni nyina na ye ni obetimi edi nkunim na waba division 1. Eno enwa gu kansie na nyame adoma on the 16th e TNA e betimi ahya ase nti ye ko screen ne so na yama group bia any teams e wo mu a say ne esiyete enso e wo ho no obema me group A first na yetimi edi eno ho enkomo. So this is group A, division 2 middle league. Group A no yebenya future stars, Nsiopon Fidelity FC, Inshallah and Chicago FC. We need 4 groups are omo group A. Na group B nso no say and enso no esi etie nyame aduma teams are womo enso ewo group B. Dolphins, Takwa Barcelona, Soccer Lions, and Hunter Soccer Believers. Any teams are one of group B. Group C, na yetimi atwaso dia. Say and a group C no so AC etie. Fijai Soccer Academy, na Joe Royals, Barcelona FC, Takwa United. Any teams are one of enso group C. Na group D no say and also AC etie. Base Paradise, Fiaseman. Assign so mine, of course, a ho enkomo ho intibit near the ho enkomo nyame adoma a subsequent lies no enso great Nanas FC enso a complete 4 groups are one group D. Medical culture say sa group A to D no ni obedi first no na air qualify to the semi-finals no more progress to the final nya you bit near dim kunim now qualify to division 1 nyame adoma next season. Na yemo the 4 fixtures no. Now one so baby we are one so with me who said these are the fixtures and yami adma and also 8 ebas until match day 1 no I shall say 9 AM on the 16th and a matches no beat me I shall say until match day 1 16th no ubenya as many as 4 matches and a beat me atoja e match day 1 e twoma kwa kowie nyami aduma 25th of this month and a last match no and so e beat me atoja. So when what you see on your screen the fixtures and the semi-final and the final no ni eno so esietie and na wo hu enso e wo screen no enso eso na che say second division Western Regional Football Association Middle League no e wo TNA nyame adoma 16th of this month and e betimi ahya ase na ababewie 25th of this month na che say ni eno so no esietie no nti ye di asanwesman ehu enkomo a eyetima e wo se hwe asan so ene ne monten so na we obi a we the level of this program a eyetima e ba ya enche ye bia e wa asan so ene ne monten so a omobo Western North omo zone omo division 2 no omutimi edi first a eni omo ko represent ya menyo matimi akoye di amomo. They are looking forward say omo ebetimi age division 1 no enso etimi dia ba enye wo konketwa looking at a teams a ewo a group na na teams a compete no we have old teams ewoma they know in and out of how to play the middle league no and the team bit say fiaseman me ti omudi nya chepa abra omo ebo division 2 enso ewo western region base paradise pioneers enso so ewo eba the division 2 a enso ekoso ewo western region na se ebenya the different other group no niama teams a omo nso so old commerce ewo division 2 ni mu a we group C Fijai enye ne Fijai. Yes, Fijai enye ne Fijai. I know for sure. But for the three of them, second, third, ne I can't say much about them because Fijai Fijai Soccer Academy, I know them long ago. So they are also a team or more in contention. So make me qualify. In Group B, yen share anonso ni anonso enkomodia. Oh, hey teams almost so honoma. Dolphins, old team. Soccer Lions, old team. No, a Hunter Soccer Believers, and so your old teams. So it tells you, say, teams are qualified or equable, middle league, your old teams maybe Oma, Omunim, how to play this tournament very well. There are signs of mine, more 8 year. You have 12 customers to compete with. So, with me, any other ultimate, now wait me, I qualify. Ain't he, the first part, and what me a treguno. Say assign my boys and I say the players episode me yes bakosem dia they need no motivation than one kasabet me motivate wo mo ho ni atwere mo din dia to na enchiri ma ba be kan omaga say look the first division eba assign so ne mountain so yen ene yakoje ede ebaaye there should be motivation enough emfama than external motivation ebetimi aba. The external ones will come, but one can as a person, and as a player, as a technical team member. Abako semne here, of course. Adodo de na beba no so here. Nanso se beba wudin dia ka ho. Se emre bi bedui. Ye team am na kwaji first division e de eba se via science no mountain so I was part of them. Engineer what division 2 no qualifiers no group stage no what boy. The major part in any baby a modu samri. Into baby or what you will be and baby onim you will be on. This is where a supporters a here. You can't let them down. Baby modu any beer. A system with me competing well. And you know the machi ubi a share some with me aye no be any bidder. Ubi a share some with me akwaje a the glory no et me ediaba. It wouldn't be a mere formality and famamo. So be the same with him. Say a competition akona mo kono just walk over edmamwa. You guys are sleeping on your mats. Wake up. Enye better enfamamo. But with determination, teamwork, you guys can go far. It is not beyond your capabilities and abilities you have within you as a players. Listen to what the coaches will tell you. Send your intrane can say suti ohui yes na for the ball. When you listen to mumpenyon for anyone so would ye kakra eka ho you can do it and do it better. But mufanshe with him say it wouldn't be an easy work emfa emamo. But with determination, hard work and discipline, you guys can achieve near asanyo sumai apima mukwa no maba. We have Anochi Stars ako anyeye yenya Kufis FC ako anyeye. This is your turn. We mumre. This is your turn. This is your time. Do it. Nefa mumfa seri ni enije emfanshe asanyusumai eni mobusu afo nyina enim. Ti nyame adoma ye bedi a chira de befiri mo babia nso no ye mfa enkame ye tie fo